How to fix can't join meeting in Google Meet. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily fix can't join meeting in Google Meet error. So if you are also facing such kind of message when you try to run your Google Meet application, then what you can do is simply head over to your settings. So first thing, just head over to your settings. So once you're inside your settings, just find the application section. So once you're inside here, just locate your Google Meet application. So let me just search it quickly. As you can see, it has appeared over here. So just tap on it, and from here what you can do is first thing, just click on this force stop button over here. So once you click on it, just click on storage option over here, and just make sure you clear the cache and clear all the data from here. And once you click on delete, your data and cache will be successfully cleared. And once you do that, just come over here and just click on permission, and make sure you have allowed the permission for camera and phone like this. As you can see, I have also allowed other options. So once you do all of that, just restart your Google Meet application, and your Google Meet application should be successfully working. And after that, you can just join the link by simply tapping on the join button over here. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.